I see him being able to eventually grow as far as he wants to go.
Tristan Bowles is a laundry worker at the Bluebonnet Detention Center in Anson, Texas. At least he is now, as of this writing. Employed at the facility less than a year, his outstanding work ethic and commitment have him being recruited by other departments. Maricela Rodriguez is Tristan's supervisor, and she's a little nervous.
I know that several supervisors were all letting me know, like, we're going to take him from you, we want him.
Which is interesting because Tristan applied at Bluebonnet 3 different times with 3 different departments prior to being hired as a laundry worker, but it didn't work out for various reasons. In the end, Maricela and facility administrator Villegas became very impressed with him and decided to hire him. And they've been nothing but more impressed as he demonstrates daily what Bluebonnet was close to missing out on.
He's definitely has proven himself that he's a hard worker, go-getter. He's a quick learner. He's eager. He wants to learn. He wants to grow.
Mr. Bowles is a very hard worker. I explained to him prior to our interview that laundry is a busy place. We are busy from the time we get here to the time we leave. We never have an end point. He accepted the job duties and has excelled very well in our department.
He's been a great asset to the not only to the laundry department but to the team, Bluebonnet team. He's willing to do whatever's needed to help the facility. He's going to pretty much treat the population with dignity and respect.
So, and a lot of these people, whenever they feel hopeless or they don't feel like they belong or they just feel like it's the end of the world, you can always be there to help them out.
Recently, Tristan was mentioned in a thank you letter written by a detainee.
I'm sending this report of this very professional, very nice person, always happy, always helping all times. Anybody with smile and happy, every time very happy person, name Bowles. Is one of your best happy men with job. This man need a good bonus. God bless this man by name Bowles.
I like just knowing that I'm going to be here every day and that people are happy about that. That's my favorite part, is looking forward. Most people wake up and they hate their job, and I think it is what you make it, and everybody here has made it great for me, so that's like one of the best feelings. Believe it or not, I care is bionic. I like how they taught that in our classes. I like how they taught that in training. I love how they reiterate that constantly, and I try to live by that as much as I can. This company's done a lot for me, so I'm going to try to do the same for them. And if it means being bionic, it's just, believe it or not, I care.